Hello friends, follow me as we go on an eco walk to the hills of Hellshire to the shrimp factory, the old shrimp factory. Last year when we did this walk, we had enough space to walk where the sea would not touch our feet. And look at this now, at the erosion of the hillside and where we have to walk. Look at that. It's so sad, honestly. Like when I saw it, I was in total disbelief. We have arrived. We are now at the old shrimp factory. Look at that. It looks like somebody has been here doing some things that they probably should not be doing. See if you can look at this room right here. You can see there's a bed, burnt beds, and it looks like somebody probably lived here or stayed here for a while. But yeah, this is the old shrimp factory in Hellshire. And these tanks are where they used to keep all the shrimps for export. Yeah. Look at Hellshire's national birds. And we'll now have to walk past them and disturb their feeding ground. But I mean, the walk was worth it. They all flew away and we got to see this amazing view from the other side of the shrimp factory. Thank you so much for watching, and please remember, with God all things are possible.